Thank you for calling. Support you through with Cindy. May I know the device you're calling for?
Yeah, I've got a computer, a Microsoft computer with Windows 8.1, and I've got some alert on it.
Sir, can you please turn off the speakerphone so that I can hear you better?
Yeah, you're not on speakerphone.
Okay, and what's the problem you're facing?
Well, I've got a Windows 8.1 computer, and it's come up with the Microsoft Morning Alert. Says error MS
Mm-hmm.
sysinfo 32. Please call us immediately. Do not ignore this critical alert. If you close this page, your computer RSEX will be
Okay.
disabled to prevent further damage to our network.
All right, sir. So you did call us back earlier as well, right?
I can't recall, sorry, did I?
Pardon me?
I might have. I've had this alert for about an hour now, and I've been trying to get through to get it fixed, and nothing's been happening.
All right, not a problem, sir. I will surely do it and help you out with that. I would guide you with certain steps which you need to go ahead and follow onto your computer. Okay?
Okay.
Take a look on the bottom left corner of your keyboard. Do you see the Windows key, the four flag key?
Yeah.
Hold that Windows key down.
And
And while holding that Windows key down, press the letter R.
okay, yep.
What do you see on the screen now?
Um, there's some boxes popped up on my computer. It says
What
run,
does that box say?
and it says run. Type the name of a program folder document thing.
Uh, Alright, type down in that box I as in Indiana,
Hang on.
E as in Edward,
Yep. Hang on.
X as in X-ray,
I is in Indiana, E is in Echo, X is in X-ray, yep.
P as in Pennsylvania,
P is in
L
Pennsylvania.
L as in London,
L is in elbow.
L as in London.
Oh, why not L is in elbow? Can it be that? Is that right?
No,
Okay.
I said L as in
Oh,
London.
L is in London. Okay, yep.
O as in Orange. Click on Run.
Okay. And it says, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this
Click on
computer?
Yes.
Okay.
Click on Yes. What else do you do on this computer, sir?
I do each and everything like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter.
Do you read what it says here?
Yeah, I already read
And
that.
that is the reason why And that is the reason Microsoft went ahead and blocked you from using your device.
Okay. Can I have it back? Do I ever get my computer back? Can it be fixed?
Sir, unless you go ahead and fix it or you install the security, you cannot get it back.
Or what's wrong with it? What exactly is wrong? Are you there? Do you know what's wrong with it yet? Or
Yes, I'll just get it checked.
okay. I was hoping there's some sort of scan that could be done to find out what's wrong and fix it.
Just hold on, let me just check it.
Okay.
Who all uses this computer apart from you?
Just me. I'm the only user.
And do you watch porn onto this computer?
Yes, each and every day,
Okay.
again and again. But is there some sort of scan you can do on the computer to find out what's there and what's wrong with it?
Are you talking on Skype right now?
No, I'm not on Skype.
Because your voice is echoing a lot. That's the reason I'm asking.
It's just the phone I've got. That's all. It's a old phone. It's a pretty old phone.
And how many devices are connected to internet right now?
Um, just now there'd be two computers. The laptop I'm on, plus we got a desktop as well that's connected.
And who is your internet service provider?
I've got AOL.
I said internet service provider, sir.
Yeah, AOL, America Online.
AOL provides your internet?
Yes, I'd be phoning the internet through them.
So you're watching porn without any securities?
Yeah,
And do you think that is safe enough for you to do that?
yeah. What should I do? What's wrong with my computer? I've never had this happen before. Only started today.
You've got a virus infection. You can take a look, sir.
Yeah, I see that. Where exactly is the virus on the computer, though? Do you know, or can we get?
Sir, virus infection is not something which has to be somewhere on the computer, okay? It can be on any place. Now that depends on whichever place it can be on your computer, whether you can use it on browsing or use it on any such things, okay?
Okay,
Now this can, okay, so it can be anywhere, not necessary that it has to be on certain place, okay?
okay,
Virus means a virus,
all right,
alright? It is not necessary that it has to be on particular location.
okay.
On top of that, we do see here, as you said, that you have got two laptops, right?
Yeah,
But we see here that the number of connections which is here is 19.
okay. Oh no. So how the 17 others get? Where are they?
Yeah, there are 19 connections which we can see,
Yeah.
and most of them supposed to be the foreign addresses which is attached with you.
Can you get rid of them now? Where are they? Can you do a scan or something?
Sir, we have already ran a scan, and according to that only we have come to know this, that there are foreign addresses which is attached to your devices, which needs to be removed, and for that we need to go ahead and install securities and many other works which we need to do, which would require us additional tools, okay? And that it might be that that would cost you something.
Okay.
Pardon me?
Yeah.
Hello?
What were you doing here as well? Is there something else going on here? Can you do a scan? Like scan the computer or network or something?
So we've already scanned the computer, and according
You
to
didn't
that only
scan
we
it.
are telling.
You didn't scan it. I want to see a proper scan. Isn't there
Pardon
something
me?
else you can do? Hello?
Just hold on.
Well, what about if I do something for you? Can you try this? Is that something?
Yes.
Well, Merry Christmas.
I know that.
Yeah. Don't you know tech support scamming 101? You got to run the tree command.
I know that.
Well, why didn't you? You missed out on it. You're too busy with Netstat.
Pardon me?
You were too busy with Netstat. Why didn't you run the tree command? I had to run it for you.
So that's not what we do.
Yes, it is. You got to run the tree
Look,
command.
look for another scam company who
Yeah.
does that.
Well, they all do it. They all run the tree command. Why don't you?
Sir, we do not run a scam. We
I said
fixed the
scam.
issue.
Well, you
We do
do
not
both
run a
scam and
scam.
scam. Why don't you run the tree command? Try running it again. See what happens. What about the directory? You don't run
Why
any.
would I run when when we do not even use it,
Well, you use
which is not
Netstat.
allowed?
You use Netstat.
No, I cannot do that.
Why don't you run the tree
Netstat
command?
is something to. Hold on, hold on.
What? You put me through to someone else.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Who's this?
Yes, you were trying to show me something.
Oh, I wanted you to scan the computer.
Sir, that's what I said. We do not run a scam that we can scan your computer. We
What?
can go ahead and fix your computer, but we cannot scan your computer.
Why don't you scan it with a name? Scan. Run the tree command or something. What else can you do? What other tricks have you got?
No, I would not. No, we do not.
Okay, well, what do we do next? How do I fix this computer?
Sir, you are a technician by yourself. Fix it.
No, I'm
I
not.
don't think you need our
I
suggestions.
need your help. Can you fix it?
Sir, I would not be able to help you.
Why not? I'll just ring back with another phone number if you don't fix it.
You have opened the pop-up onto your computer screen. You can close it.
No, you put it there. I want you to fix my computer.
You've already fixed your computer.
Talk up, I can't hear you. You haven't fixed anything on it.
I'm saying you've already fixed your computer.
It's not fixed. Look at the thing here. Look at that alert. Can you get rid of that? What about the event
So
viewer?
you
You
can
forgot
get
event
rid by
viewer.
you ran that tree. You ran everything. You are showing me what you can do it, so you can do it, right?
You run event viewer. You're supposed to run event viewer. You're the worst scammer I've come across. All you really did was Netstat. You didn't run event viewer. You didn't run the tree. You haven't shown me stop services, MS config. Come on. What are you doing? Hello? You're a level 0 scammer. Hello, scammer. What have we got in here? Anything interesting that I can do? Can I upload you a file? Can I upload you? I have got on the desktop. I will pay you with my Bitcoin. Do you want some Bitcoin? Hello? Hello, scammer, talk to me. Yes, what are you doing now? That's you moving the mouse there. What are you doing? Hello? Talk to me, scammer. Please close it there. I had to close it myself. You gonna talk to me or not? There's all this other stuff here that we can do. Windows updates. Oh no, that's not good. Look at the chat box. Hang on. You PC fix 247.